My dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Again welcome from me. My dear, this is Aminur Rahman welcoming you to our today's class. Class 9 and 10, Bangladesh and Global Studies, Chapter 7. This is Lecture 7, last chapter of class. Last lecture of this chapter, and this is presented by Aminur Rahman, senior teacher, Milestone College Sector 4 branch. My dear, the organ of Bangladesh government and administrative system. This is the lecture 7 I told. So let's know about the objective of today's lecture. After end of the lesson, what you will be able to do, what we will learn from today's lecture. My dear, our main topics of today, the municipality or town council. Town council, municipality or town council. Somewhere it is also called Paurasabha. My dear, also know about the formation and the function of the town council, then city corporation, and also we will know about the importance of the local administration. My dear student, first of all we will know about the municipality or town council. Municipality or town council is very important local government, local administrative system is playing very important role. Paurasabha is the local name. That means somewhere, sometimes some people call it generally Paurasabha. That means Paurasabha, town council, municipality, all are same. The size of the municipalities may be small or large. Actually, it's not the fact, but the size of Paurasabha or size of the municipality is depend on the volume of the population, volume of the area of that particular council, particular Paurasabha or municipality. In Bangladesh at present, we have 317 municipalities or town council. My dear student, now we will know about the formation of town council. In formation of town council, there is one chairman and few members based on words. That means each and every words, the members will be elected. One chairman will be elected, and the members of each ward is called the commissioner. My dear student, every member of the municipalities, will be elected by the people directly. One chairman and few members. That means it's not fixed. The members are not fixed. The members will be according to the word. How many words is there? From each and every word, one member will be elected. And name of the member, that means the post of the member is called the commissioner. And how many words will be from each and every union council? That's not also fixed, because it's depend on the volume or area of the particular territory or particular area of that council, and also depend on the population. Okay, next my dear student, look, now we will know about the function of municipalities. Municipalities has many kind of function that used to do. First of all, first one is function relating to the planning. Function relating to the planning, that means municipality is the planner of the municipal area. What kind of development activities will be arranged, will be practiced, what will be do, and all plan program was planned by the municipality. The municipality may arrange the roads, beautify the local area, beautify particular area of the municipality. That's why it's called the planner. First function of municipality is for planning, for the ensuring the development of the particular area of that area. Second one, my dear students, second one is function relating to the mass security. That means mass security, the security of the particular area is handled with the municipalities will be responsible for the every citizen's property, every citizen wealth, or their what kind of security they will arrange. During disaster period, during any crisis period, disaster management, relief management, or all other cases, fire management, or any other cases, the municipality play very important role in mass security function. The next one is function relating to public health. Function relating to public health. My dear, public health, that means for swallowing system, for latrine system, for health in how many clinics or the health hospitals will be, all the management system is in the hand of municipalities. Establishment of the clinics, child house, mother house, orphans, etc. in the duty of municipalities. My dear student, look to the next one. Public function related to the habitation. Municipality is vested with the authority to regulate any kind of constructing buildings. That means the building of new building, design of the building, plan of the building was passed by the municipalities. Anyone cannot build the building here and there with the proper plan. They have to go ahead. That's why in that function municipality play very important role in habitation. Then the function relating to education. Inside of the municipality, how many school, colleges, educational institution we have? All the school, colleges monitoring power has given the municipality. Municipality monitor, municipality manage all the educational institution by giving the proper training to the teachers and awarding the teachers, awarding the students for ensuring the better result. Municipality arrange the stipend and scholarship for the brilliant student. Okay, the next one is function relating to improvement public places. My dear student, in the municipal area, public for ensuring the beauty of the public places, increasing the roads, and night arrangement of proper lighting systems. It's also the duty of municipalities. Okay, the next one is, my dear, function relating to the social welfares. Social welfares. The municipality steps the the municipality established some orphans, old house, and manage the orphans, manage the old house, and distribute the intricate person and manage them, help the poor people in different way. In different way, and that's why the municipality plays another important role for social welfare. My dear, the next one is related to tree plantation. In municipal area, beside the road, beside the bank of the river, beside the road or the rivers or other free land, there tree plantation program arranged in municipality. By after planting tree, also they ensure the management system, but take care of the trees and the other, and distribute also plants among the person for ensuring the tree plantation. Okay, my dear, next one, the function relating to arbitration. And arbitration, that means particularly in the municipal area, sometimes family problems, neighboring problems, group to group problems, or the personal problems, all other problems. For disputing these kinds of problem, municipality are working there. Chairman of the municipality, commissioner of the municipality, they play as a arbiter for that to mutual the disputes. Next one is, my dear, look at the next one. Our next one is city corporation. My dear student, municipality and city corporation quite similar. Municipality is a small in size, but city corporation it is large. In large cages, city corporation. In our country, we have 12 city corporation. 12 city corporation, that's 12 large city. Large, I told you, when the municipality become large, then it's converted the city corporation for maintaining the smooth administration. Dhaka North, Dhaka South, Rajshahi, Chittagong, Khulna, Sylhet, then Borishio, Rangpur, Kumilla, Narayanganj, Gazipur, Manesar. That's 12 are the city corporation of our country. There's 12 city corporation. My dear, let's know about the formation of city corporation. Formation of city corporation is one mayor, one deputy mayor, and other members. Some few members combine a combination of the mayors, deputy mayor, and some councillors is from the city corporation. But here also, my dear, number of the councillor, that means members of the ward. I'm taking you the brief, my dear. In Pura Sabha, the person who elected from ward is called commissioner, and in city corporation, the person who elected from the ward is called councillor. How many councillors will be? It's not fixed. It also depends on the particular area or the volume of the population. My dear, look, the next one is function of our city corporation. First function, working to solve the wastewater problem of the city. The function municipality used to do, here also some kinds of function in city corporation used to do. Working to solve the wastewater problems in city. The problem arise in the city life. The councillor, mayor, or city corporation is liable to mutual the dispute. Supply the pure drinking water. My dear student, for sewering system and supplying the pure drinking water for the city dweller, it is also another main duty for city corporation. Arrange the power constructing the houses. You are the city dweller. That kinds of the houses where we are in now, the class or our school building, our college building, where it is. When we wanted to build it, we have to take the permission from the city corporations for planning, for designing, for constructing. Okay. The next one is, my dear, the importance of that's all about the function of city corporation. Okay, the next one we will know about the importance of local government. My dear student, you know, in modern terms, the importance of local autonomy, local government in respect of administrative systems are increasing day by day. For maintaining smooth administration, central government must have to arrange the local government for good governance. Good governance, that means where transparency, where accountability will be there. Transparency, that means transparent glass, crystal clear. All the activities of the government will be clear to the government, crystal clear to the government, and government will be the accountable to the best people for their activities. And this one, if we want to confirm, if the government want to confirm, central government must have to take help from the local government. Local administration, then in that case, local administration plays very important role. Ensuring the balanced development. You know, the country, the large country is very difficult for it to equally develop. Such as the India, large country, India, if there is only one central government, it can't be run properly. To maintain the balanced development of all area, for ensuring the balanced development of all area, it is urgent, it is ensured, it is important, the local government to govern smoothly. Also, my dear, this I already told you that in transparency and accountability, for maintaining the transparency and accountability, the local government plays very important role. My dear, the superentity of the local administration is that it keeps for practicing proper democratic way of democracy, the local government also played a very important role. My dear student, this local government, this local administrative system helps make the transparency and accountability in the administrative are ensured. As a result, the based on democracy becomes strong. The state and the government become more advanced. That's after all about the city corporation. It's all about the municipality, and also that's all about the importance of the local administration. My dear, now let's go for homework. Your homework is explain the formation and the function of the town council of Purushottam. You will do it, and after completing your homework, take a picture of your copy, send me, or I'll send to your other class teacher, subject teacher. My dear, if you have a question about the lecture, ask me or ask your subject teacher. I think they will help you. So, thanks to all of you. Thank you very much.